Saturday, 8th of March, 2025. Pilot truck stop just south of Dalton, Georgia, to the east of I-75. Yeah, between I-75 and US 41. And folks, it doesn't matter how great, good, terrible, awful your day is going. There's someone not far from you, whether you're in your house, in your car, parking lot next door to you, or a car next door to you in a parking lot, or a house next door. There's someone whose day is worse. There's a little black car to me next to me in that parking lot. Two women, young women. The driver was just bawling her eyeballs out. I mean, you know, this was the end of the world. I wasn't going to show the car, them, or anything. Life is strange, folks. We are on 75 North, just south of Dalton, Georgia. We're going to bypass Dalton and get off at US 41 and go to, I think it's called a burger barn, and get us a burger unless they are crowded. They usually have very good burgers. Absolutely gorgeous day, about 70 degrees. It was just supposed to get to mid-60s, but it's busted that. A lot of us don't see all the bad stuff that goes on around us. We live very fortunate lives. I mean, everybody has grief and heartache, but too far off to try to make a deal. Winter, winter chicken dinner. Steak and Shakes. Anybody? I guess people still go to Steak and Shake. They're still open. I was thinking about going to Big Moon in Cartersville. Chinese, Japanese, something other Chinese, I guess. First time I was there, they had stuffed mushrooms that were absolutely delicious. I could have filled up on that. I haven't been there. They haven't had those stuffed mushrooms since. But they've got a very good selection. Food as well is cooked very good. Good. They usually have salmon. You know, a whole bunch of different stuff. Selection. I was already hungry, and now I'm making myself more hungry. Where we're going, I have no idea. Dalton, Rocky Face, one half mile. Appalachian Foothills Parkway, Georgia 336. Burger Barn. Here we come, Burger Barn. Home Depot and all over there are packed out. People buying plants, buying lumber, doing remodeling. To the right is Dalton. And this would be a bypass. This would take you around Dalton unless you turn right on Old 41 and go right through town. Look, there's a doggy. And a girl and her doggy? I think so. A woman and her doggy. Look like they're going to camp out here and ask for money. You're seeing more and more of that. More and more homeless. I tell you what, there's a bunch of homeless around Athens, Georgia. Some big camps. There was a real big one in Gainesville at the railroad track. I think they busted it up. where it ends up north, but it'll take you all the way to Miami. Ask her, girl. Where does US Highway 41 end up north?
Here's a map of US 41.
Why don't you just tell me where it goes? There's another one wanting some money. Asked her a simple question. Try it a different way. How long is US Highway 41?
387 miles, according to some information I found on Wikipedia.
Okay, it's 387 miles. She's holding back. She's messing with us today. She does that. She's a trickstress. What y'all got going on down there? They got a bridge across the creek. What's going on down there? Private residence looks like. Oh, Burger Den. Okay, it's a Burger Den instead of a Burger Barn. Oh, Burger Den. We missed the first turn. Let's look it around there and get us a burger. I hope they're still as good as they used to be. Let's turn it off till we get it. Well, I don't have my voltmeter, so I won't be able to tell whether it's charging or not. It's not a loose connection. I do have my generator. I can recharge this battery if it quits on me, and we can get further down the road. I'm going to see where the closest auto parts store is and see if I can use one of their voltmeters and check and see what this voltage is doing. But right now I'm going to eat my hamburger and fries and go from there.